Today, I worked on a vehicle with the check engine light on. After connecting a scan tool to check for fault codes, I found code P0440, which indicates an issue with the Evaporative Emission EVAP system. The EVAP system is designed to capture and recycle fuel vapors to reduce emissions, so any malfunction here needs to be addressed promptly. To start, I performed a visual inspection of the EVAP system, checking for obvious faults like damaged hoses or loose connections, but I didn't find anything unusual. Next, I used the scan tool to attempt sealing the EVAP system, which is a standard diagnostic procedure. However, during this test, the EVAP leak detection unit didn't respond. This gave me a clear direction for further testing. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check the EVAP leak detection unit's electrical connections. I verified that voltage and ground were both present, meaning the wiring and connector were functioning correctly. To confirm the issue, I tested the continuity of the EVAP leak detection unit itself using the multimeter. Continuity wasn't present, which indicated that the unit was faulty and needed to be replaced. The solution was straightforward. I replaced the EVAP leak detection unit with a new one. After installing the replacement, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to ensure everything was working properly. The vehicle operated perfectly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new codes appeared. This repair highlights the importance of systematic testing. By using tools like a scan tool and multimeter, I was able to pinpoint the exact issue without replacing unnecessary parts. If you're dealing with a P0440 code, these diagnostic steps can help you efficiently identify and resolve the problem.